You ever felt like you've been surrounded by a whole bunch of Corvette stuff? We started collecting our inventory back about 20-some years ago. And so we've bought out some nice inventories over the years. And today with our manufacturing of our fiberglass, we're running out of space for manufacturing. And so we're making the decision to move this inventory out. Okay, so we have everything put away in a GM group number and a part number. And how GM has worked this over the years is a group number 10.450. That is something to do with the door. And in that is everything put away in a GM part number. We've also incorporated a lot of aftermarket parts. Corvette Central, Paragon, you name it. We have a pretty extensive inventory. So when you look at a GM part, for an example, GM part, the group number, 10.550, the GM part number. Everything we have put away on the shelf is in a GM group number and numerically ordered and GM part number. You'll find the part numbers can be far apart from one another, but if they're in the same group number, it's the way that GM puts everything away on the shelf, at least the GM dealers I've gone into. So we're going to be posting this inventory starting next Monday on eBay. One piece at a time. But if you have something that you're looking for, here's a lock set. What goes inside of a lock? Little tiny things like this that you can't find anymore. The new old stock inventory we have here is pretty awesome. We haven't really advertised it. We've always used it for our own use. But it's time to move it. So we prefer that you email us with an inquiry looking for a part. We want the GM group number and GM part number. And then we'll come to our shelf and see if we have it. And we'll reach back out to you and tell you if we have it and the price that we want for it. And we're going to be more than fair with the pricing because we want this stuff to go. You go through and count all of our units, we're about 100 units, shelving units put away, neat, organized. About $1 million worth of retail inventory sitting here that it's time to move it on and watch our eBay. But if you want to reach out to us, you can contact us through our email, info@dynamiccorvettes.com is the way we prefer it because we're really busy all day long. And some of this stuff we'll have to look for after hours. But we'll get back to you as fast as we can and be as fair as we can with you on pricing. So if there's something you're looking for that's been hard for you to find, or if you want to check, our inventory pretty much is the first 4 generations, real heavy in the first 3, but we still have a lot in the C4 because back in the day we were doing a lot of C4 stuff. So we do have quite a selection of C4 stuff, but first 4 generations is all we have. Reach out to us with GM group number and part number preferably. That'll make our job faster and we'll get back to you faster. So thanks for watching.